Hello, Alex Kolosko is here and I'm bringing a new challenge to our Studio Basics members. This time we'll be shooting something really cool. What do you think it would be? Olive oil with garlic. Smells beautiful. Food. Let's shoot food, okay? There is not much yet on Studio Basics program, not many tutorials about the food. However, the new course from Rob Andrew from Expert in Food Photography is coming soon, and once you have submitted your image to this studio challenge, we'll sit with Rob Andrew in 2 weeks and review all the submissions, and that's where you will get that feedback that will help you to take a better food photography pictures. First, I want you to do a challenge. It will be a challenge for you, meaning that, hey, get some plate. It can be as easy as a piece of pizza maybe, or whole pizza on a plate, maybe with silverware, maybe without. It's up to you. Maybe it will be just a cake. Maybe it will be a group of things. Do the best what you can using your camera, using your studio lighting. You can use window. It doesn't matter. The only end result matters, right? It's a challenge, and you need to deliver some awesome, some juicy, tasty, and dramatic maybe food shot, okay? The key things for you to understand: food really likes edge lights, okay? Sharp edge lights at some point. It may create some nice highlights. Just giving you a few hints. Don't make it flat, meaning that probably if you're gonna use many lights all around, kind of soft light, it may be a little bit not as juicy as it could be, your shot. However, I'm not going to teach you at this point, okay? Everything will be during the review of the challenge and of course on the Rob Andrew course. So 2 weeks for this, do your best, shoot your food, and in 2 weeks we'll sit with Rob Andrew and review it. All ready? Go for it. Bye.